Hello, good day, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. It's me, your friend, your sister, Mommy Juliet TV. So, una doa, una day. I hope you people are staying blessed, taking good care of yourself. So, let me use this opportunity to greet my new subscriber. God bless you all. My old subscriber too, God bless you. My returnees, I love you all. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support. Okay, God will bless you all. People that is going to be supporting you will never lack in your life, in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Okay, oh, I dey vex. I dey vex. Wetin I want talk today. So the thing don't tell when I just try my talk am better. I just consider wash. You know, say before you take any decision, you have to wash. So today's topic now about people that you use to round yourself. People way around you might take and might carry and go down. People way around you is very important. People way go dey move with you is very, very important. Like example, when I understand what I want to talk. You know, sometimes when you put topic, people will not understand what you want to talk. So, you carry and go down. For example, you get people for Facebook. I use Facebook to make example. And you they do your thing. Then they see you say, what they not fit do, you they do one. If it's not easy, if it's easy, make they go do one. What you they do this video, all these things. It's not easy, and not be everybody fit do one. So, you dey do the thing, you dey do your own good thing, you dey do and then they see you say you dey do am. I don't say the way go they show their body there. Like all this one what they talk now, they see many video when they see for YouTube. I they see many video when they see for Facebook. You take advice there. You see take some things, little thing there. Wait till you don't know say this thing bad. Sometimes you come across it, you see take am. You they post something. You go even post your picture, post your children picture, post your husband picture, do your video. They go there, they go view. They not go say like. They not go comment anything, nothing where they go put. They just they come they view you. They just they come they look what you they do, whether you don't die, whether your enemy see the day, whether you not deal. Those people like that, where you they see. And we they see if una they view. When I don't know, say if I go view your this thing, I not comment, you must know. You understand? We they see there. If you post for story, you will see people who come view. All of them, your rush come view you. But they not comment, they not put anything. Those people like that, throw their away out of your Facebook. Facebook not for friend. Facebook not to say, you are looking beautiful. Facebook not to comment. Facebook not to post like. Facebook not to put what you not like. They see do and you see write what you suppose me you write. Now I make you be my friend for that Facebook. If you know they do anything then and look, you can't they look. If I not see yourself after this video, if I not see yourself for my Facebook again, on another vessel for me, I don't care. Okay? We know they feed each other. Una don't come on there. I don't throw away una. So now make me talk, say people way around you, they important for you. Not go surround yourself with all these people who know they help. Not go surround yourself with people who know they promote you. Not go surround yourself with people when they see you say you they move forward. They're not go even tell you, they'll even jam you for road. They're not go tell you, say, I like your video. This thing what you they do, I like continue, my sister. God is they're not evil talk. May you do, may bad thing happen to your enemy. You go see me, I use my own make example. The time when I bring my sister come here, not when I see her, I bring her come. Nobody call me to wish me congratulations. Nobody. I say na normal thing. Nobody. The jam I say na my sister. This. Okay. They come deport her go. Now there you tell no people. Now so my phone they ring. One way here tell the other one they hear tell the other one. I said sorry. Now ask one say person die. He say, ah, now I say, I don't know whether one Percy die. Well, everybody sorry, take heart. Percy die, not be deport, they deport. The time when I bring my sister, brother, you tell me congratulations. When you call me now, tell me, say, sorry, oh, bad news. They don't want you to grow. Those people like that, throw them away. Move forward, focus. Know what you like, know what you want. Sometimes you see do something for your own church. Person will go say being a pastor, in a pastor wife. They don't go say, ah, you are trying. My sister, I see what you are doing. Continue doing it. No encouragement. Naughty. But if you reach for, come and join church, come and join this church, you want to join this church, you want to join this church, they will call you. We are doing church meeting. We are doing this one. They will call you one verse. I will talk all of that today. I know they owe anybody money, and you know they owe me. That's how you reach. You hear? Now my own example, now say I can't tell you now. They no go talk. They go see you, they no go talk. They'll just they look you like that. But you go see say that they comment for another person. And the same Facebook will be now. This your friend if you be my friend. But they see where you will comment for the other one. I go see you. I'll say, see this woman. He go see my own, he go pass. But he go see another person far distance. They say foul. Na house enough for rich money. If you reach market, na big money. So I don't care. I don't want maybe the way near you. Now make me come tell you, say people way near you. If you see, say, na heaviness, they worry, they throw away there. Throw away there for that your Facebook. No need there. No. What did they do? They call the view. You not let them see you again. Throw away there. If they see you for them, they greet you, that they fine. May they come ask you, why did you delete me? I'll say, so you did that, you they see me since then. My Facebook is for business. If you don't want to join me, get out. Delete yourself before I delete you now. For tomorrow, now they see you self, now they see you self again. Oh, you they delete all of you now. You don't say na my man, na my pa, waya, alakaye. Or you delete all of una because una not get good mind. Una very wicked mind. Una they want bad news. Now una go call. I'm sorry. I'm this. Now una go call. Any good news, nobody. My brothers and sisters, no believe say people way near you go feel promote you. Far people now go promote you. They way near you don't know want make you better pass there. Heaviness. What they cannot do, you they do one. They're not going to even say you try. Now they love one mind, get one mind. People way good for their mind. If they see you, get one mind. Every time when he go see me on Sunday, the man knows saying here they thought. He must tell me, say, my sister, you are doing a great job. Continue. God is your strength. You are just doing a good job. I say, hey, brother. So you like her? He said, yes. Continue, my sister. You are doing a great job. Okay? Now tell us, bros, if I get anywhere where you have help me, say I made mistake, you want to correct me, you are feel free to correct me. Because for me, I'm not perfect. He said, I'm doing a great job. Now he tell me. If I see they do something, he will see tell me. And that people like that, now good, may you surround yourself. You use and take surround yourself. So that if you anything, though they guide you, anything you want make mistake, they'll see quick correct you. Not be the rest people where they go say they be your mentor, that they look you, they look you, they cannot even talk anything, say, my sister, you are doing a great job, continue, or do this, or don't do that. They say now they be our mentor. Who are they taught to now? They taught who say now here they taught to now they taught to. Mona carry and say bring her. I bring her hot. If you talk, you die. If you not talk, you die. So nobody can kill me. You understand? My life belongs to Jesus. So far your heart clean. I go talk her. Una out too much. Una be enemy of progress. Una no want make person move forward. Wait una no fit do. If na so they do, una lie, una no go see sleep. Una they dream bad dream. Because of another person problem. Because of another person progress. So people like that, my brothers and sisters, that is watching me. People like that, throw them out of your life. Throw them out. Oh, they say the people you move with either lift you up or bring you down. So check there. They Facebook all of the day there. I want to be your friend. You accept there. They just they look you anya. You go so fail. You go so speak English when not correct. If I speak I not correct, what it concern you? You know that how you be. So I tell like I speak. I speak and go here. I speak and go here. Who English help? May you go do your own. May you say speak. May we hear say you speak. Okay, my brothers and sisters. Now this short message now I can say I can give you now. More na not care wetin people they talk. More na check. Who is una see say maybe you they say you they do meat pie or you they do things. They'll pass you go back for far distance. Those people run for them, run oh. Run for them. They be enemy of progress. They don't want your progress. So your suffering run for them. Make them dead your own, you dead your own. If you start the operation sweep for your Facebook, sweep all of them come up for your life. They're not good. Now Facebook now all of the day, they just they look with the view, 300 view, 500 view, 1 like. For what you they do. All of them come view you. 500. And they see 500 for Facebook. And they see 600 view. Hey! I cry, I shout. Now which all of them be very bad heart. And you see their picture, you see this one say view. The way they say they be your mate, they go view. You know, go say, naughty. So who are these people come help now? I better throw now off. If you get forehead, carry me for road. Ask me say why I throw you up. I will tell you the thing where you will reach as paracetamol, you will take 10 times. The headache not will come up for your head. Okay? So now this one I say I can't tell now. You people should check it. More than not send anybody. If you are doing a good job, continue doing it. Your video you are doing is happy people. You understand? Is happy people. For me, if I go people YouTube or I go people platform, sometimes I pick things there. What I don't see no, I'll see picker. Get what one woman see talk. Yeah, one day when I see the waka, he say they shall say that they remove children for Jamie, that they pick their children, they thief their that the government they collect their children. He say why? Not lie. He said they'll advise you. I pick for the day they'll tell you say your pikin not they do well for school. He said they'll tell you say your pikin see problem when you get. If they go say you not for help, they better collect her. I joined the way they collect them, but they don't come to truth, don't come they shout. I don't care how my pikin. Now make me tell you say anything where people they do, Percy they learn for inside. That video where I prove this one now, that video where that woman do, I learned something inside. I said, yes, this is truth. He said, check it. Now Europe put this so. They know your fake come buzz it to your privacy and take your children away. He said, now something that made them take them. Maybe they don't advise you. The woman use itself, make example, say, he picking, do so, he come there, you know, their attention for school. Now so they tell her, say, they will give 2 baby, 1 for laugh, 1 for small, for angry, 1 for good. He said they put time. Everybody know and on our way they Europe. You get one big head like that, they'll put laugh, they'll put say, you know and all this emoji. You understand? He said they will bring them for the pikin. Anytime with the pikin, they'll tell you say you they look every day. Anytime with the pikin, bring her, the teacher look and say good, do good, you go mark what he do good. If he do bad, he go do that emoji where the verse, he go touch and he go mark him. He said now so he take follow the pikin. Before they come help her, say it's good. They come see say, and you go see mark him. Many people know they do, and later they'll say they collect their pikin. You see on social media where they call, pagbe, bitter, yes, so na useless woman. Oh, na that one I know pikin, na not go look. So man, don't let my video too long. You know, yeah, they tell you say they bring gun. Now go know the day when me enter here, they bring gun. See they hot. What the hell, yok man? Boy, may everybody chop on like that. So more na they learn. Oh, I pray that you people should learn with this this video that I do today, you people should take little thing and learn. Every help those who help themselves. God not go fall for help, can't help una. More and learn. So God bless you. I would love to leave you people. Thank you very much. I love you all. Bye.